require glue, gelatin paper. See, I am having here yellow color gelatin paper. You can also use red color, green color, blue color, any color you have. Okay, children? And some ice cream sticks, scissor, crayons, one card sheet, and your photo or your family photo, any photo you have. Okay, children? Let's start. Taking this glue, I'm going to stick one ice cream stick here. See, children, my frame is ready. Now I am going to stick this photo in middle. See, children, I stick one photo. Now you can also color this ice cream stick. Okay, I am going to color this ice cream stick orange color. Now I am going to color next one with blue color. Next. Which color it is? Green color. Yes, right. Now next, help me children, which color I do next? Do you want me to do red color? Yes? Okay. It looks so colorful now. Now you have to take gelatin paper and you just have to wrap it, okay? See children, my beautiful photo frame is ready. Now I am going to give this to my daddy. See children, my beautiful photo frame is ready. Now you also have to make this photo frame at home. Will you try this at home? Yes? Okay, please try this at home and send me photos and videos. Okay, bye. Enjoy this activity.
Shanti Juniors.